Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and if I'm a little bit hard to understand today, yesterday I just got my two front teeth replaced with a partial. And the denturist told me to keep them in your mouth all the time so your tongue will get used to it and you'll be able to speak properly over a period of weeks. So if I'm hard to understand, forgive me and I'll do the best. I'll go as slow as I can. This video is dedicated to Vegas Pro crashing and lag problems, specifically version 17 Pro. I did some research on this, and this might help your problem, or might not, but there is a solution at the very end. If you're running, if you haven't updated your graphic drivers, that's the first thing you have to do is update your graphic drivers, your GPU drivers, update them to the latest driver. But before you do that, I'll put a link in the description below the video for a program that will uninstall all traces of your driver. So once that's installed, then go ahead, install your new driver, try it out, and see how Vegas handles the new driver. Another thing is when you're using Vegas, close all non-essential programs. That may help as well. Let's try something here. I'll show you in options, preferences, go to video. Okay, now dynamic RAM is set default to 200. What you can do if you're having problems only, set this to 0. But since I'm not having any problems with mine, I'm giving it 200. Now, some people have reported if they increase this, my maximum RAM in this computer is only 8 gigabytes, so 7,052 megabytes free. So if I bring it down to say about, add another 0, bring this up to 2,000, or even go half, so you bring it up to 3,500. And try that and see if that does anything with the stability in your program. But 0 should work if you're having problems. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what happened to me in August 2019. I bought Vegas Pro 17. I had it for a week. I could not believe how unstable the program was. I got a refund and I used Vegas Pro 16 and upgraded to 18 when 18 came out. I did not like 17 right off the bat and just did not like it. Another thing you can do here, under GPU acceleration, select your video card. Now I just updated my graphics yesterday, my graphics drivers yesterday, the GPU drivers yesterday, and it used to say Radeon 530. For some reasons, it's all in one line now. I have no idea what's going on. I have Radeon drivers installed, the newest ones for the 530. That's my card. So if you're not running, or if you have see this set to Intel graphics, but you see GPU or you see a driver for NVIDIA or AMD, select that and try using that and see if that makes a difference. Vegas Pro 17 and Vegas Pro 18 are they're not completely different, but there's a lot of differences in the program. Vegas Pro 18 is very, very stable. I'm just going to close this. What you're seeing here, this is 4K footage running on an i5 with 8 gigabytes of RAM. Vegas Pro 18. It has no problem running 4K footage. I've been using this computer now 2 to 3 months, probably even longer. It's crashed once with Vegas Pro 18. One time it crashed. Another thing you can try, in your preview quality, some people have it set to best full. If you got a real fast computer and you have it set to best full, that's all right. It run fine, but you're gonna get video lag in here if you're having slower computers. So the best thing to do is go down to a lower quality. Say good auto is fine, or even go down on preview auto is fine. It's gonna look a little crappy, the grainy and crappy, but that has no bearing on your rendered video. All it's gonna do is just help you view what's going on in real time when you're editing. There's something else you can do here. And one thing I want to say about this preview, if you want to take a snapshot, make sure it's always set to best full and take a snapshot. This way you'll get a 1080p crystal clear snapshot of your video still. One other thing I wanted to tell you here, if all else fails, do a reset of Vegas Pro. Now how you do that is you hold the Control, Shift, and double click on the Vegas icon. So that's Control, Shift, double click on the Vegas icon, and that will reset the program to be just like it just was when you first installed it. And then you can start troubleshooting from there. That should solve your problem. If it doesn't solve your problem, my recommendation is go to Vegas Pro 18. I'll put an affiliate link below. If you can buy from that link, upgrade from that link, the channel will get a small commission. And it will just help the channel out if you use an affiliate link. You don't pay any more for the product. It just, like I said, it's an affiliate link. It helps the channel out. I don't really know what else to say regarding crashing problems in Vegas Pro. This will apply to earlier versions of Vegas Pro as well. But if all else fails, get Vegas Pro 18. It's very, very stable. I've been saying it since day one. They finally got it right. They put out a real stable product. And I'm very, very happy with Vegas Pro 18. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.